Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Tyler Kaye from Medina Sports and Family Chiropractic. Today I wanted to go over a common injury in sports, which is the ankle sprain. Most common way to injure your ankle is when you roll it in and plantar flex it, so toes pointing down. Commonly people feel a pop with this and rarely ever need surgery. It can be treated conservatively here in the office. So today we're going to go over a few exercises that we do here in the office for that.